I decided today that I am cutting my locks.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
But look what I did. Oh, oh boy. Yes. I have chopped some of my ends. They're loose. And retightening them means starting back from scratch. So back here, you know, like how you go, you get like a consultation and you get testers, Sisterlocks, and they put in like 5 somewhere. Well, I just took 5 from the back and I snipped the ends. I'm gonna watch it and see what it looks like. I also snipped to see if I would miss the length. And I honestly don't think I will miss the length. And I kind of like it like this. In my situation, it's just not locking. I still need to learn a thing or two about locks and how to maintain it. It's hair. Hair grows back. Right now I went through the circumference of the front of my hair. And I didn't try to layer it or anything. I literally just chopped what was loose. So now I just have these. And I actually like them. This one I left. I don't know why did I leave this one? You know what? Just to show you what I was doing. See how this ends is like not locked? I feel until where I think it's locking. Chop. All of the front. I've done that too. I like it. Like, decisions. Because then we won't have all of this. What to do? I might just snip the rest. Are you opening up? You better not. I'm scissors happy. I know I just started my lock journey, well, documenting my lock journey on YouTube. So if you have so far followed previous videos, which is my 1-year lock anniversary as well as my 2-year lock update, you would notice, because I do mention I've been struggling with my ends of my hair. I have been holding on to the ends of my hair. Now I'm 2 years in and I'm still struggling with the ends. And then I said, I have 2 options right now. I can retighten the ends again, or I could just chop the ends and start from where I'm at. I just quickly washed it. There was bunching. The bunching is basically down where the loose ends are, and I guess that's because of me just washing without banding for the past, what, 3-4 washes. So I decided not to tackle it. I'm not. I am not my hair. And hair does grow back. I'm letting it go. We need to let it go and be okay with it. So it's uneven. I'm going to show you. Hopefully you can see. That's what it looks like right now. And honestly, this is still longer than what I started with, I believe, when I first originally did my hair. So I don't mind it. I actually like it. I did it. I chopped my hair and it's multiple different lengths. From the back, this is what it looks like. I thought I would miss my ends, but right now, I don't. I'm actually interested to see how this looks when I style it. I am anticipating that some of these ends will open because they are already opening. I'm hopeful that it is locked enough that it's not gonna unravel a lot. But yeah, so this is the end result.
Let me cater to you. Let me cater to.
Yo, why do I have a ruler? Okay, so we're going by inches. Oh my god. So the short, this one, I have to bend so you can see this. Well, it's for sure 5, and then the ends out would kind of almost give it 6. Let me just try somewhere else. This looks a little bit long. This is like so awkward. That looks about 9. So we got 5 to 9 inches. Okay, I'm gonna grab one more. Let me try the back. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna end up trying to even it out or if I'm just gonna leave it. I'm getting a little bit over 6. It's at the bottom. Yeah. This where my pinky is saying 6. Okay, so here we got some inches. This is one of my locks that I actually chopped. This one doesn't look that bad, but it's the ends that I wanted to chop, and then I just went up a little further than I should have. But I've cut off pretty much almost 5 inches. Another piece. I've cut off at least about almost 4 inches. It's really wild. I'm anxious to see what's gonna happen. Now, I did jump online after the fact to find if there was anybody else who chopped off their loose ends and things like that, or just has something to say. So one lady I found mentioned, do not blunt cut your hair. I blunt cut my hair. So she says when you blunt cut your hair, it unravels faster, so expect that. I really hope that my hair is not gonna unravel because I just chopped off so much hair because I don't want the loose ends anymore. And it's funny, when I first started my journey, I was in love with the curly ends, and I said, it doesn't matter what's gonna happen, I want to keep the curly ends forever. Now that I was 2 years into my journey, there was matting happening behind the scenes, or it'll be like this big blob at the end of your hair sometimes. It's like, what is this? You know what I mean? I have attempted to retighten my hair the first year. I definitely didn't like when I did. I missed my ends immediately. The second year after I dyed it, it wasn't even a year in, so I shouldn't have dyed it. But anyways, I dyed it, and that also I guess damaged and also didn't lock with the hair. I've tried the method of plaiting. I did. And I kid you not, I wish I still had some of them because the plaits were in like as if I just plaited them yesterday after a year. So when people were like, oh, you know, braid locks, and they tried the braid locks, I'm just like, what's wrong with my hair? Because the ones that unraveled, I got lazy and I did the plaiting and it didn't lock. So that's my reasoning for my big chop today, is to hopefully quicken the locking process by removing the loose ends and not having to deal with the matting. I haven't been braiding and banding, and that also did cause some bunching, and it's basically where the hair was unraveled. I had no intentions today. There was no plan of it to chop. I washed my hair. I saw what I saw. I'm random, I know. This is my videos. They cut, edit, whatever, and eventually something makes it. So stay tuned. I am gonna return to the braiding and banding. I'm basically gonna start like brand new all over again. By my videos, you'll see what not to do and what's possible. I'm still doing my journey. This is my lock journey. Just stay with me, watch it grow. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos and give content.